Taking a look at SoFi here today, and SoFi is looking really good right now. We did break out of our downtrend pattern here. As you can see, I have it lined up here. We've been going in a downtrend pattern since February of 2025, and now finally breaking out of the downtrend pattern as of the last few days here. Now looking to also range between the middle and the upper Bollinger Band here. I have my prediction here at $16.25. I do believe within this year, and it could occur a lot sooner as well. 1625 here, going to be tested for SoFi, and again from our current prices. Now I have to range this up because we did move up higher from our previous video. From our current prices here at about $12.88, that is going to be an additional 25% move to the top side. Just bear in mind, this is my personal opinion, and I'm not going to guarantee anything, right? We do have a test towards $16.25. That's my personal prediction here. Would I be buying right now for SoFi stock? Personally, and again, in my opinion, it was much better to be buying during the dip. And again, I mentioned it's always good to be buying when there is almost no hope left, right? When it feels like there's no more hope left and we are below the 200-day moving average, that is a really good time to be buying, in my opinion. We got to a low of $8.60 there. Now, again, currently, while we're still below 1342, I don't think it's too late. I personally wouldn't mind adding a small position while we are below 1342. But especially if you're a long-term investor, do what you got to do, right? If you're a swing trader, I personally prefer below 1342. I am again keeping an eye out for $16.25 to be tested, and especially if we see the overall market head back up to the top side, I would definitely keep an eye out for SoFi as well, heading towards 1625. Do I think our recent high here of 1842 is going to be tested here? And again, that was from January of 2025. It's very possible that within 2025, especially if we break above 1625, we could keep an eye out for $18.42 as well. That's going to be right around a 43% move to the top side. So definitely keep an eye out for SoFi stock headed to the top side. I know Cathie Woods did sell out of SoFi, and again, just because Cathie Woods sells out doesn't mean the stock is going to go back up, right? Cathie Woods has done the opposite sometimes, where she sells and the stock goes up, or she buys and the stock goes down, right? Don't always listen to analysts, and again, take things with a grain of salt, even this video. Do what you think is best for your own position, and again, I'm pretty optimistic on SoFi heading back up to the top side here, just based off of technical analysis. We've already broken out of this downtrend. There should be already a bottom here of 860, and a lot of buyers did step in here below $10.80. Now that we're above the 200-day moving average, I'm very bullish on SoFi stock here, potentially head back up to the top side. I would definitely keep an eye out for a big move to the top side once we break out of this uptrend pattern. And I do firmly believe we break above the uptrend pattern here. That is going to be forming in the next couple of weeks here. And of course, going into summer of 2025 and winter of 2025, I definitely want to keep an eye out for, again, 1842 to be tested. I'm already pretty firm on 1625 being tested, and that's just my personal opinion. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments for SoFi stock. At these current levels, are you buying or are you actually selling? Are you afraid of SoFi potentially dipping back down towards the 200-day moving average, or down even towards 860? I personally don't think we are going to see those lows again. I think that was a generational dip opportunity, as you will say. Again, if you don't have a community for SoFi stock, I highly recommend joining our Discord. We do have a dedicated chat section with over 32,000 people for SoFi. It's going to be free to join. First link down below in the description, or the QR code here on the right for Discord. Now, if you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, this does include SoFi stock as well. You can join our Patreon. We currently have a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary with Bullish Raid. All right, it's going to be a permanent discount if you are able to secure a spot. Just check the second link down below in the description on Patreon, see if there's any open spots. Joining Patreon will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord. Then yada yada yada. You're going to be able to see all our live entries and exits for SoFi stock as well, for stocks and options. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video for SoFi stock.